Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find the numbers without actually counting it by using the multiplication. How many times 2 is the question. Here 2 birds are in each row. Now let us see how many times 2 is there. So in the first row only 1 times 2 bird is there. So we are writing 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, or 1 into 2 equal to 2. So first row only 2 birds are there. So only 2 birds are there. So we are writing 1 times 2 is 2 or 1 into 2 equal to 2. If you move on to the second row, see we have 1, 2, okay, 2 and then 2. So 2 times 2, okay, 2 times 2 is 4 or 2 into 2 equal to 4. Then if you move on to the third row, 1, 2, 3 is there. So 3 times 2 birds. 3 times 2 is 6 or 3 into 2 equal to 6. See, you are finding number of birds in each row without actually counting the number of birds but by multiplication. So repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. Now we are doing for the fourth row. If you go to the fourth row, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 birds. So 4 times 2 is 8 or 4 into 2 equal to 8. Okay, now if you move on to the fifth row, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 2 birds. 5 times 2 is 10 or 5 into 2 equal to 10. Okay, now if you move on to the sixth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 times 2 birds, that is 12 or 6 into 2 is 12. Similarly, if you go for seventh row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 birds are there, right? So 7 times 2 birds, so 7 times 2 is 14 or 7 into 2 equal to 14. The same way, if you go for the eighth row, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 2 birds. 8 times 2 is 16 or 8 into 2 is 16. So if you see here, each time 2 birds is added. Right? So if you go for ninth row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 2 birds, 9 times 2 is 18. Another 2 is added here or 9 into 2 is 18. Similarly, if you see the last row, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 times 2 birds, that is 10 times 2 is 20 or 10 into 2 equal to 20. So this is the way to find the number of birds in each row without actually counting the number of birds in each row. That we can do it by multiplication of the number of times number of birds. The next example is jump with me. Tharu, frog jumps 3 steps each time. Which numbers will Tharu touch? So Tharu is a frog which is starting from 0 and it is jumping 3 steps each time. So it is given here. So it's moving on like this and you want to find what are all the numbers that was touched by this frog Tharu. Now let us see what are the numbers the frog is touching. Okay, so now it's starting from 0. It jumps to 3. So 3 jumps at a time. 1, 2, 3. So it jumped 3 box in 1 jump. Next, if you start with 3, then it crosses 3 box, right? 1, 2, 3. So it jumps in the box number 6. Next, from 6, it jumps to the box number 9. So it skips 2 boxes and it jumps to the third box. So similarly, like this, it goes on like this. So now for this, we can use our third table. So now we are moving to the multiplication tables part. So it's very, very important. Okay, so now if 1 into 3 is 3, then if it moves to the second step, that is second step 2, it jumps 3 steps. So 2 into 3, it goes to 6. So third jump, it goes to the number 9. So 3 into 3 is 9. Fourth jump, it goes to 4 into 3, the number 12. Then from 12, next will be 5 into 3, it will be 15. From 15, next is 6 into 3, that is 18. See, it's here. Okay, next, it's 7th jump. 7 into 3 is 21. From 21, next 8th jump is 8 into 3 is 24. Then 9 into 3 is 27. After 24, it will jump to 27. Then from 27, it will go to 30 because 10th step, it will be in 30. Okay, so next 11 into 3 is 33. From 30, it skips 2 boxes and it jumps to 33. Then from 33, it skips 2 boxes and it jumps to 36. So 12th jump, each, that is 3 steps. So 12 into 3 is 36. Then from 36, it goes to 39. That is 13th jump, it will be in 39. And then next, after 39, 14th jump. So 14 into 3 is 42. Then 15 into 3 is 45. From 45, it goes to 48. It skips 2 boxes and in the 16th jump, it will be in box 48. It touches the number 48. Then in 17th jump, it touches the number 51. And in the 18th step, it touches the number 54. So from this, we can write the tables like this. 1 into 3 is 3. Second jump, 2 into the third jump, it is 6. So like that, it goes on like this. It touches all the numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42 and 45. From 45, it goes to 48, then 51, then 54. So like this, it moves on. Next example given is show jumps with 4 steps. So in the previous example, we have seen jump with 3 steps. So in the same thing, now we are going to move with 4 steps. So now it starts from 1 and it moves to 4. So it crosses 3 boxes and it moves to 4. So from 4, it crosses 3 boxes and it moves to 8. Okay, so from 8, it crosses 3 boxes and moves to the 4th box, 12. So from 12, the 4th box will be 16. So from 16, the 4th box will be 20. That is in 5th jump, it will touch the number 20. So from 20, it will go to 24. Then 6th jump. Then 28. Then in 8th jump, it goes to 32. Then 9th jump, it goes to 36. 10th jump, it goes to 40. Then 11th jump, it will goes to, it skips 3 boxes and land on the 4th box. That is 44. Then 12th jump, it goes to 48. And then in 13th jump, it will goes to 52. 14th jump, it will come to 56. And then in the 15th jump, it will goes to 60. And then 16th jump, it will goes to 64. So this is for your 4th table. So we can write like this. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 4 is 8. Then 3 into 4 is 12. So you can skip 3 numbers and you can write the 4th number. Okay. So this is the way how the frog jumps using the 4 steps and touches all these numbers. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. Hope you have understood how to write the numbers without actually counting it and by skipping and moving on to the next jumps. Thank you for watching the video.